It's time to file your taxes, and there could be some changes in your filings that you need to know about, definitely because of the pandemic.
Tax accounting expert Travis Watkins is here to walk us through the process this morning. Thanks for joining us, Travis.
You're welcome. Great to be here.
First question for you. If you received stimulus money from the pandemic relief package, how does that impact your taxes? What do you need to do?
If you received a stimulus check in 2020, then first of all, it's not taxable, so that's great news. It acts as a credit, actually, towards your 2020 taxes. So if you didn't receive it, and you should have, you can actually get a refund in that amount if you still have not received a check. So that's how the stimulus is going to work.
So many folks have had to file unemployment benefits. There have been a lot of them extended due to COVID. How does that play into someone filing their taxes, Travis?
A lot of people are going to be surprised to know that if they didn't have withholdings taken out already for the unemployment money that they may have received, that they may owe some taxes here, which is always a bummer. There are a lot of people that are receiving 1099s and they didn't actually receive unemployment benefits, or they didn't receive the full amount that the 1099 is saying that they did. That's a real problem. If that happened to you, if it's fraud or you didn't receive as much as the 1099 shows, do not put the amount on that 1099 that they're saying that you should have received. Put the actual amount that you did receive. And that's coming straight from the IRS. So don't fall into that trap of, well, I'm stuck with whatever it says on this 1099.
Sure. The second round of the Paycheck Protection Program, PPP, just opened. How much money is available this time around to small businesses?
It's limited to $2 million. You're not foreclosed from asking for another round of it if you have received the first one, or if you were supposed to receive the first one and you didn't, you can still go back and ask for money from Paycheck Protection Program 1.0. From a tax perspective, this has been really, really great news. Back in December, the IRS was really forced by Congress to say that the money that you spend with paycheck protection money on payroll, utilities for your business, mortgage interest, and a few others, those are actually allowed expenses now. They were not going to allow those on your tax return, on your business return, but they are going to do that now. It is purely going to be really like grant money for these folks. And yes, if you are eligible, you have to show that you had a 25% loss over some quarter in 2020 over 2019 to get this second round of it. But if that's you, definitely apply.
Travis, real quickly, we're almost out of time. When is the deadline to apply by?
The end of March.
Okay.
So it's pretty quick here. You've got to get on the horse and make that happen if that's you.
But help is still available. Travis Watkins, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.